Yes or no questions with short answers. Are you cold? No. Are you busy? Yes. Is it snowing? No. Is it bedtime? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Are you hungry? No. Is it raining? Yes. Is it your dog? No. Are you tired? Yes. Is it far away? No. Are you happy? Yes. Is it your car? Yes. Is it your turn? Yes. Is it a long way? No. Are you excited? Yes. Is it time to go? Yes. Is the store open? No. Do you like pizza? Yes. Is it hot outside? Yes. Do you have a cat? Yes. Is the dog outside? No. Are you listening? Yes. Is it Monday today? No. Do you like coffee? No. Are you going out? Yes. Is it dark outside? Yes. Did you sleep well? Yes. Did you cook dinner? No. Are you feeling sad? No. Did you go shopping? No. Are you good at math? No. Is it your birthday? Yes. Did you take the bus? No. Is it raining heavily? No. Are you feeling sick? Yes. Did you go for a walk? No. Do you like chocolate? Yes. Did you eat breakfast? Yes. Did you exercise today? No. Did you take a shower? Yes. Did you see that movie? No. Did you see that bird? Yes. Are you feeling better? No. Did you fix the problem? No. Is it the last episode? Yes. Did you buy a new phone? No. Did you clean your room? No. Did you finish your book? No. Are you going to the gym? No. Did you forget your keys? No. Are you wearing glasses? Yes. Did you finish your tea? Yes. Did you have a good day? Yes. Is it your favorite song? No. Did you call your friend? No. Did you close the window? Yes. Is it your favorite color? No. Did you finish your work? Yes. Did you find your wallet? Yes. Is it your favorite book? Yes. Did you finish your drink? No. Are you going to the zoo? Yes. Did you clean the dishes? Yes. Did you find your glasses? No. Is it your favorite sport? No. Are you going to the gym? Yes. Is it your favorite movie? No. Did you forget your phone? No. Are you going to the beach? No. Did you finish your dinner? No. Are you going to the party? No. Is it your first time here? No. Are you afraid of spiders? Yes. Are you going on vacation? Yes. Did you finish your coffee? No. Is it your favorite place? Yes. Did you finish your snack? Yes. Did you finish your lunch? Yes. Are you going to the park? Yes. Did you go to school today? No. Are you going to the party? Yes. Is it the weekend tomorrow? Yes. Did you watch TV yesterday? Yes. Are you allergic to peanuts? No. Did you study for the test? Yes. Are you going to the concert? No. Did you finish your project? Yes. Are you going to the museum? Yes. Is it your friend's birthday? No. Are you going to the movies? Yes. Did you finish your dessert? Yes. Is it your sister's birthday? No. Did you forget your homework? No. Did you finish your homework? Yes. Did you forget your umbrella? Yes. Did you finish your sandwich? Yes. Did you finish your painting? Yes. Are you going to the mountains? No. Is it your favorite restaurant? No. Did you finish your ice cream? Yes.